How to install Skyglass on a Firestick. Now, in this method, I'm going to be showing you the most convenient or the easiest step for you to be able to download and install and use Skyglass using your Fire TV or your Fire Stick. So first is just go into your Fire TV dashboard, and then at the right corner of your screen, you should be able to see gear icon. Just simply tap on that. Now, once you're on the next page, just simply select My Fire TV. And then next to that is just go into About for you to be able to have the option of developer mode. Now, developer mode is allowing us to enable unknown file sources so that we can install third-party applications using the downloader. Once you access developer options, just simply allow unknown file sources so we can download Skyglass. Next is go back into the dashboard of your Fire TV and then access the Downloader app. If you don't have Downloader app yet, just simply tap on Downloader app and hit on save and it will automatically be downloaded on your Fire TV. Next is access the Downloader application, and then in there you should be able to see search box, which is going to be indicated as highlighted red. Now the codes that I'm going to be posting on your screen right now is actually a premium and VIP. So what you need to do is to choose whether you're using a premium Skyglass account or a VIP Skyglass account. Choose the designated code and then just simply input the code that you prefer and hit on OK. And then on the next page, you will be given out the direct link to download Skyglass. Tap on that and it will automatically be downloaded on your Fire TV and then open it up and log in into your Skyglass account. And that is how you install Skyglass on Fire Stick.